Wow, I don't even know where to start, guys. 8 months ago, we started this channel just sharing our love for roller coasters and theme parks and sharing our story of recovery. And now, thanks to you, we just hit 500 subscribers. I remember filming like my first POV and thinking, will anyone even watch this? And now, 500 amazing people are here, watching, commenting, and supporting every crazy ride we go on. You all are seriously the best community ever. From the first twist to the biggest drops, every ride, every scream, every laugh, it's been worth it because of you guys. You guys made this possible, and I couldn't be more grateful. So here's the plan. Things are only going to get bigger from here. More POVs, more challenges, more subscriber shoutouts. And of course, more roller coasters. If you're new here, buckle up and join the ride because it's only going to get crazier. Seriously, thank you guys. Every comment, every like, every sub, it means the world to us. So let's hit 1,000 subs together and make the next chapter even more insane. Because it's going to be crazy. In the next month and a half, me and Stacy are going to get on our first flight ever and head over to Cedar Point and Kings Island for the very first time. We are super excited, super pumped, and we wouldn't do this without you guys. You truly give us the motivation and encouragement to be better and do bigger things and not be afraid. Thank you so much, guys, for following along on this journey of recovery with us together. We appreciate it. We love you. And as always, guys, thank you for watching. And it's the Girls Without the Pills. Let's do it.